Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun video, I'll be showing you how to draw 6-7 from Steal a Brainrot. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Steal a Brainrot 6-7, let's begin with the eyes. So I'm just going to begin by making a circle shape for one eye. Then inside of here, I'm going to make another circle shape, and I'm just going to color this part in for the pupil. Next, starting here, I'm going to go up and then over. Then I'm going to come down and over. Let's go up, and then over here. I'm going to go down and over, down and over. Then we're going to come down here. Now right here, I'm going to make this line come down. Let's go over and down, and then over and up. Let's go over and up. We'll come in and up, and then we'll go right over to here. Next, we're going to go over and down, over and down, over, and then down. Let's come in and down, and then we're going to go over here. Let's go up and over to connect. Now we want to make this look a little bit 3D, so we're just going to bring this line down and over. Then we're going to come down and over to here. We're going to make this line come up here. We're going to go over and up to connect, and we're going to go over and down. We're going to go over and down, and then right here we're going to go over and down, in and down, and connect. Now over here, let's make the 7. So let's begin by making a circle for an eye. Then we're going to go ahead and make a smaller circle in there, and let's just color it in. I'm going to go over here and up. Now I'm going to come across, down and in, down and in, down and in here. We're going to go down and in, down, and then over. Up and over, and then up here. We want this to look 3D too, so we're just going to make a line that's going to come down at an angle and over. And we're going to come down at an angle here, and I'm just going to kind of follow the same shape that I drew here and connect it. Then we're just going to go down and over here. Now for the legs, let's draw 2 lines here. And then we're going to make a little rectangle shape here. Then we're going to go down, over, and up with another rectangle. Let's do that same thing over here. We're just going to go down, over, and up with a rectangle. Make a small rectangle across. And then another one here. For the shoes, we're just going to kind of come down on each side. We're going to go over and down. We'll go over and down. We'll come across on each side. And we're going to bring this up. So bring this up to connect. Then we'll just make a line here and a line here. A line here and here to give a little more of that 3-dimensional look. Then let's go ahead and make a little rectangle shape across here. And then let's make a line that's just going to come right around here. Now let's make the hands. So let's start by making a rectangle shape that kind of comes out at an angle. Then we're going to come down here and down here. You can see I made it a little bit bigger as it came down. So let's go over and down. Then we're going to come over here. And we're going to come over here. We're going to bring this line across. And we're going to come over and across here. We'll make a little line down here. Then we're going to make some lines that go down here. And then we're going to angle them down for fingers. Then we're going to make a line that goes up. We're going to make a little point and down and a line here for the thumb. And we're just going to make a line across. Now, over here for this arm, we're just going to make a line that's going to come out, down, and in. And then we're going to make another one that's going to come out. We're going to go over and then up here. Right here, let's make like a rectangle shape. We're going to make a line that comes here. We're going to go cross, down, and connect. Little line here. We're going to make a line that's going to come up. It's going to go across and then down. Do a little line here. And then we're going to put 2 lines here and then 2 diagonal lines here. We're going to go up, make a little point, and come back with a little line here. And there you go. There is your drawing of 6-7 from Steal a Brainrot. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.